एक संविधानाच्या अमृत महोत्सवाचो म्हाका दिसता जायत कडेन उल्लेख केला. पयली सुवातेर स्पीकर सर हांव म्हणपाक सोदतां की जो लोगों की कलम की रक्षा नहीं कर सके वो क्या संविधान और हमारे देश का रक्षा करेंगे, उससे क्या उम्मीद रखें. स्पीकर सर हे कलम पड मुठाय एका हे एक हत्यार आनी हे हत्यार स्पीकर सर आमकां आमच्या संविधानान दिला, हक्कान दिला उलोवपाचो. आज हांव सांगपाक सोदतां की दोज हू कुड नॉट गार्ड द पेन ऑफ द पीपल, स्पीकर सर, हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट देम टू गार्ड द नेशन एंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? When I say pen, it means freedom to express, to write, to paint, the freedom to dance, the freedom to perform and express thoughts through theatre and films. Speaker sir, Manya Rajyapalan P.S. Sridharan Pillejin, he is not only exalted to a constitutional position that he occupies, but the Honorable Governor is a man of letters, he is a scholar and an author of many books. Speaker sir, it is a different story today that under his government, another equally accomplished man of letters, a poet, was threatened for his freedom of speech. A person who fought for opinion poll, for Konkani Baibas, for statehood, Speaker sir, had to basically face the threat of the right-wing forces. Speaker sir, the real danger is when this gets color of being supported by the government and the state. When I say being supported by the government and not the state, it means the police and all its agencies. When they remain mute spectators, this, Speaker sir, is the biggest danger. हांव हे उल्लेख करता कित्याक संविधानाचो मान्य राज्यपालान उल्लेख केलो. स्पीकर सर, आनीक संविधानाच्या प्रॉस्पेक्टाचेरूय ताणें उल्लेख केलो भाशणांत. Now, what are these prospects of our Samvidan? The prospects are democracy, secularism, freedom of expression, justice to all, equality and equity. And last are brotherhood and fraternity. हे आमकां आमच्या संविधानान हक दिलेले आसा. पूण स्पीकर सर, आज गोंयांत जरी तर चोयल्या कोणूय जावं NGO, activist, कोणूय जावं, if these individuals speak, whoever speak against the flawed policies of this government, vindictive politics is happening. They are being silenced, even imprisoned, creating a fear, climate of basically fear. आज Speaker sir, जेन्ना हांव सरकार म्हणटा की they are committed to uphold the principles of democracy and protecting the citizens' fundamental rights, हुंय ना हुंय ह्या सरकाराचेर एक प्रश्न निर्माण जाता. स्पीकर सर, आमचे दोतोर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरान जे आमच्या संविधानान बरयल्लें सगळ्याक म्हाका दिसता आज the way this government pickpocketed the MLAs from the opposition, basically this itself is killing of democracy. Speaker sir, what is the government promoting in general? Jenna, what message does the Chief Minister basically send out? Every time they make statements, basically these statements are loaded to excite religious emotions. This is something that is something that is against our constitution. बाबा साहेब का संविधान देश का मान और सम्मान है और हमें उसका अभिमान है. स्पीकर सर, वी ऑल नो, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करपाक सोदता सरकाराक पयली सुवातेर पयलो कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता कित्याक आमचें भावपण, गोंयकारपण, our brotherhood and communal जे आमची हार्मनी हा was seen during the relic sacred जे exposition जाले during the old Goa feast. All the communities were there. I congratulate the administration, the Chief Minister, Sandeep Jakis, the Council of Ministers. I believe Balesh Sikera was also part of that, for doing this exposition in a good way. Speaker sir, आज आमकां जरी तर चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता आनी मागता गोंयच्या साहेबान आमचेर सगळ्यांचेर बेसांव घालचें, कित्याक आमचेर आमची कम्युनल हार्मनी म्हणटाय ती आमी राखपाक जाय. गोंयकारपण म्हणटाय ती हें ओरिजिनल आमची आयडेंटिटी. स्पीकर सर, the Honorable Governor is a learned man and he should know that this government is fostering basically what? Reasons or ignorance, brotherhood or divisiveness, harmony or hatred, compassion or conflict, mythology or history. Jenna Aj Ullegh, Speaker Sir, he's a thinker and a writer, and the Honorable Governor is the best judge to understand the uphill, the level and the downhill of this government. 25 डिसेंबराक नातालाची क्रिसमसाची सगळ्यांनी सेलिब्रेशन केलें आनी त्या वेळार आमी आमच्या सरकारान गुड डे गव्हर्नन्स म्हणून सेलिब्रेट केले जो उल्लेख जाला इन द स्पीच. आतां करंटली आय एम सर्चिंग फॉर ट्रेसीस ऑफ दीस गुड डे गव्हर्नन्स. वॉट कॅन आय फायंड? Charges of corruption infested in most of the ministries, bureaucrats percolating basically to corporations, to planning and development authorities. Speaker sir, the Honorable Speaker was on record saying that sagle mantri sarke ahankari zale mu, sagle katkate zale mu. The Honorable Speaker said, "Soza sarke aggressive zale mu." Speaker sir, a former politician, a former minister, and a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party alleged that 15 to 20 lakhs was given to a minister to do his work. The way Suleiman Siddiqui was basically allowed to escape from the custody, this raises serious questions about the government's role in orchestrating the entire incident. Speaker sir, when we facilitate a criminal from a jail, isn't this a serious threat to our national security? And what does this? Isn't this a breach to the state's responsibility to uphold? जे आमची law and order ही uphold करपाक, somehow this is a breach. Speaker sir, आज we see irregularities in several things, in government contracts, recruitment, cess collection, coastal management and regulation. हे नेच बुनक्स बी क्वेश्चना पासून स्पीकर सर लेजिस्लेटिव्ह डिपार्टमेंट आयचे दीस आमचो आहलो, दीस टू सारको ट्रान्सफर केलो. हेजेर हांव मागीर आनी उलयतलो कित्याक वन ऑफ द मेजर एपिसोड्स ऑफ चेंजिंग structures in the CRZ has happened by this particular government. Speaker sir, aaj the way records have been manipulated, and maka dista there is no ability, and will this government have the will is a big question mark. Aaj the way Goa is being reckless sale, I say reckless sale in the north, south, east, west. Goa is turning into, don't make it into a concrete jungle is what the Supreme Court says. But from 2017 now start zalo, captain एको आहा, captain मुखार बसलो आहा, captain 17 एकल्या प्लेयरा आउट केलो, जो कोतालो चोड धांवपा लागतालो मोदे आउट केलो, दुसऱ्या प्लेयराक लोकान आउट केलो, आणि तिसऱ्या प्लेयराक कित कोतो तो म्हाका खबर ना. पण स्पीकर सर, आज ज्या पद्धतीन खजान लँड, एग्रीकल्चरल लँड, मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा की एग्रीकल्चर कन्वर्ट करपाक आमी कायदो हाडलो म्हणून. यू सी, लुक एट द नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन, द वे थिंग्स आर बीइंग कन्वर्टेड इज नथिंग बट reckless sales. Because I expect the Honorable Chief Minister to elaborate further on this. Just don't give a textbook statement, Vyupachi Garaz Namu. This is a very, very serious offense. Speaker sir, आज Honorable Governor talks about the saturation approach. And when we talk about the saturation approach with regards to social sector schemes, आमचे लोकांक पैसे हे टायमाक मेवताय काय कितें हो म्हाका दिसता this is something that is very, very important. Timely payments of various schemes, Ladli Lakshmi, kitli orsa zali आज pending ha, Griha Aadhar, DSS, all of these basically are pending. When the governor speaks about the saturation approach, we can see amka dista yawning gaps in the availability of water. Udkacho a motto prashna even in your taluka, in all the talukas across Goa. And today, forget about normal water, even potable water. Today, Speaker sir, this government has failed to give it to the public. Speaker sir, आज employment-aचे जेन्ना उलयतना, Goa's unemployment rate has touched 8.7%. These are figures by CMIE, by periodic labor survey. These are figures given by the double engine sarkar. Pun म्हाका दिसता, म्हाका खबर ना what pride, छाती फुलोवन उलोवप in the governor's address. about quoting figures of investment आणि जे project clear केले म्हाका दिसता this is nothing but events just to advertise under the pretext of ease of doing business. 15 ते 16 लाख गोंयचे population आसा. आमचे population, we are one of the smallest states, but one of the highest unemployed rate. It is almost double, and this is absolutely alarming. Alarming because कितले पुसे आमी ह्या सरकारा नोदरे मुखार हाडले ते फिगरान उणे जायने वाडत आसा. स्पीकर सर, आज instead of employment, आमकां what can we see? Instead of employment, we can see इलेक्शनाच्या वेळार, पंचायतीच्या इलेक्शना वेळार आज जिल्हा येवपाय 50,000 जॉब, 10,000 जॉब हे अनाउन्स जाले. स्पीकर सर, लोकसभाच्या वेळारूय हे अनाउन्स जाले. 2022 Honorable Chief Minister made a statement that 2 lakh job गोंयकारांक मेळटले म्हणून. In the hospitality sector, आज 3 वर्सां जाता, how many jobs have been given to the youth of this state? Or is this another jumla? Speaker sir, 2012 जेन्ना बेकारी भरतो म्हणून भुरग्यांक पयशे मेळटले म्हणून मनोहर पर्रीकरान उतर दिलेलें, पूण म्हाका दिसता ही बेकारी भरताची स्कीम कितें जाली, came to power, but हुयनाही म्हाका दिसता that the government and especially has failed to provide jobs to our youth. Speaker sir, आणि एक Maka is a shocking thing that as per your answer of government data in the last 5 years, central job, less than 15 people have got. Speaker sir, Aaj, this government has to have the will to investigate into the revenue, land, excise, cess collection and other things. Speaker sir, several people have lost their lives as well. आनीक म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई आज थोड्यांगेले PA सारखे फामाद जाले जॉब दिवपाक. स्पीकर सर, थोड्यांगेल्या एलिगेशन जाता की थोड्यांक म्हाका दिसता तुमच्या मनशा पासून सोडना, मागीर लोकांक आनी कितें सोडटले. स्पीकर सर, PSI लेवलाचो जो पुलीस आज 20-25 लाखाची गाडी घेवन भोंवता, पूण हो पयसो हुंयचो येयलो. आनीक म्हाका दिसता this employment staff selection has been implemented. We will look at whether there is transparency. Recently, just yesterday or day before yesterday, jobs have been recruited. This was the need of the hour, but whether this is also manipulated is something that possibly we will know in days to come. Speaker sir, government administrationaचे उलयतना proper channel मू आमकां आयकोन येता, and the proper channel is to enter via the party. Proper channel, if you want jobs in educational institutes, school, you have to come to proper channel. Speaker sir, law and order, police, you have to go through proper channel. म्हाका दिसता आज जे तुवेंचे सरपंच पंच हेणे एक उल्लेख केलो की करप्शन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द पंचायत आनी हिंगा ब्राइब इज गिवन फॉर इश्युअन्स ऑफ NOCs. घराची NOC घेवपाक पयशे घेताय, रोटी आनी कपडा GST घान म्हारग केला, आणि आता मकानाची NOC पासून दिवपाक हो दुसरो गब्बर सिंगाचो टॅक्स. सो तुमचोच आदलो मंत्री म्हणटा पयशे दिले म्हणून. म्हाका खबर ना, एक दिसा एक उलयतालो तो मागीर ताका भितर खूंय गायलो आनी दुसरो उलयता, पर दुसरो उलयता जाल्यार खबर ना. स्पीकर सर, हेंच म्हाका दिसता आर्ट एंड कल्चर डिपार्टमेंटान दी ऑनरेबल स्पीकर हॅड सेड एंड रेज सेवरल एलिगेशन, पूण मागीर प्रेसिडेंटा बारा घर की बात म्हणून हे सगळें पालोवपाक लागले. स्पीकर सर, आज तुम्ही ह्या सरकारान लोकांची मन की बात आयकपाक जाय, ह्या सरकारान ह्या मन की बात आयकपाक सोडून दिला. स्पीकर सर, zero tolerance to corruption is merely reduced to nothing but just a mere slogan, and this slogan to hoodwink the people of the state. Investment Promotion Boardaचेर this seems to be like a gang of Wazepur. आता इतली वर्सां कॉन्स्टिट्यूट जालो हो इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्ड. Does the government have any data of the number of jobs created? Speaker sir, मुखेलमंत्री सदांच आमकां फॅक्ट्सान फकत स्टॅटिस्टिक्स दिता आनी प्रेसांतल्यान आमी आयकता उमके लाखांनी इतले क्रोड इन्व्हेस्टमेंट, उमके लाख जॉब मेळटले, पूण चोयल्यार स्पीकर सर, वी कॅन सी दॅट लॅक्स ऑफ लँड ऑफ रुपीज हेज बीन जस्ट गिवन आउट to these industrialists who are not bothered to employ any given go on at any given time. Speaker sir, this government does not have any data when it comes to projects cleared by IPB. Whether you all will take the land back of those allotted with that period of time. Speaker sir, आज issue S झाला की IPB that was supposed to attract major industries today has just reduced itself to a real estate agent. Speaker sir, IPB is clearing projects only of mega projects of hotels. Was this the agenda of getting the IPB? The Honorable Chief Minister needs to educate this House on the objectives of the IPB, because the objectives that were listed were different. Speaker sir, employment these industries prefer to get migrant labor. This is not resolving the problems of the state. And the Honorable Chief Minister, when he found out through press releases to NGOs of advertisements that were coming,
Honorable member, you may begin.
Speaker sir. हाँ लाइट गेलो मरे. या पहिले पुसा जाला हिस्ट्री. मला खबर नाही केन्ना झालो जाला पहिले. जाल्ले? आणि नाव हे 2 दिसान गेले काढो को हांको काढो. हे थिंग बॅटिंग कोता ती पॅनल एशी. सारकी बॅट. Speaker sir, when we speak about Manohar Airport and the employment, आज बारीकशे 3,300 कोटीचे at the cost, it was said that this would boost basically the employment sector. Speaker sir, as we agree about employment, but what type of employment has Goans got? Multitasking job of sweepers, cleaners, loaders, salesmen, while the managerial jobs have gone to non-Goans. Speaker sir, does the government have any mechanism to track on this particular issue with regards to Manohar International Airport? The Chief Minister needs to basically look. Speaker sir, when these projects come sponsored by the central government, आज बारीकशे NIT जेन्ना आमी उलयतना आमच्या कुंकोळच्या मतदारसंघात आसा लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मीटर जमीन कुंकोळकारांनी सॅक्रिफायस केली पूण आज साधारण जॉब आर ऑल आउटसाइडर्स. Less than 5% people are gone, 95% are outsiders. And when we try to bring this to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister, and the Chief Minister tried to intervene, now it is almost 1 year that I am waiting, otherwise the people will agitate. And I think the Honorable Chief Minister understands what Kunkolkars, what type, and what when it goes wrong, injustice there are only two things I'm asking for our constituency, that you need to intervene with this regards to NIT. This is, I think so in the year, this is the 10th time I'm telling the Honorable Chief Minister. Economy is going or if you look at this bubble, basically this bubble is about to burst. Rina Kadun ye festa folloita pade and bond jawpak jai. Speaker sir, March 2024 Goa's outstanding debt stood at 33,959 crores, a figure that was 4,417 in 2005. And this increase is almost 785%. So this is something that is a shocking thing. This comes to almost 1 goinkarache odis lakache ring. Yet the Chief Minister says that we are within the permissible limits. I think the Honorable Chief Minister basically needs to control, as suggested by the Honorable Speaker. 6 ministers have become arrogant, is what the Honorable Speaker has said. He is commenting on the cabinet, he is commenting on the party, he is commenting on everything. He is the Honorable Speaker. Can he comment? I am not sure, but he is commenting. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता आज रीण बजेटा परस चड जाला, तरी सरकार म्हणटा भिवपाची गरज ना. म्हाका दिसता तिजोरेक कोणे बुराक मारले ते चॅक करपाक जाय, ते फिक्स जावपाक जाय, अकाउंटेबिलिटी फिक्स जावपाक जाय. आनी म्हाका दिसता तेन्नाच म्हाका दिसता आमचें गोंय खंय तरी सुदरतलें. स्पीकर सर, this government is an event management sarkar, as I said. Certain events that I would like to highlight. For sarkar tumchya dari 12 crores 43 lakhs. Speaker sir.
Under Rule 16, Clause 1, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 1 hour.
Speaker sir.
The motion is before the House. Those in favor may say aye.
Aye.
Those against may say no. The ayes have it, the ayes have it. The duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 1 hour.
Speaker sir, या इव्हेंटाक जरी तर बारीकशे आमी आयटम चयल्यार एक फ्लावर डेकोर मो आयटम हा फ्लावर डेकोराचो आयटम was charged 1,29,800. I don't know, this flower item is made of diamonds. I'm not sure. Speaker sir, main stage backdrop is about 87,000. एकलो विन्संट ग्राफिक्स म्हणलो ₹150 चार्ज कोतालो कुशन कवराक. ते ₹150 स्पीकर सर आनी एक 3 महिने हाटल्यार तेच कुशन कवर ₹650 जाता. Speaker sir, this shows that there is absolutely no accountability the administration, GAD, has basically failed to scrutinize all these accounts. There is no people there. Swearing in ceremony, for instance, 5 crores 57 lakhs. Shama Prasad स्टेडियमाचेर 10,000 लोकांक जेवण जालें 10,000. I'm not sure what is the carrying capacity of Shama Prasad, but 10,000 people. 10,000 people, Speaker Sir. This was what was arranged. Food was arranged for 10,000 people. Darbar Hall, Rajbhavan, Goa Statehood Day, 9 lakh. International Yoga Day, 51 lakhs. 2 Tiranga Rally, North Goa, South Goa, 2 crore 60 lakh. Because of setting up of Goa's 41st Indian Traditional Trade Fair at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, 82 lakhs. Rozgar Merava in Darbar Hall, 39 lakhs. Speaker Sir, one thing that we see in all these events and all these things is post facto approval. So this government is basically a post facto approval. Under the data, supplementary demandaच्या वेळार उलयतालो, the data that was tabled by Union Minister of State, Pankaj Chaudhary, the Finance Minister of State, on the Reserve Bank of India's report titled State's Finances. And a study of the budget reveals that the state's debt now is about 38.3% of the GSDP. This is a ratio that is always on the rise. This government is basically manipulating the FRBM figures, not working as per the FRBM Act. CAG Speaker says everything. The report tabled in August 7, 2024 paints a different color, says that Goa is having a financial crisis from 2018 to 2023. The committed expenditure, this has become 52%. This is highest during the 5-year period. And ये committed expenditure म्हणजे कितें? ये committed expenditure जावं payments, salaries, wages, pension. 52% of the government goes into spending. Rina काढून फेस्त फुलोवपाची. Speaker Sir, the CAG report has also highlighted some irregularities, inefficiencies in the state main budget. जावं 14 कोटी रुपया an expenditure was incurred without any budgetary provision under 3 grants. Speaker Sir, this itself is a violation of Article 204 of the Constitution. Now, when we talk about Article 204 of the Constitution, Speaker Sir, this article stipulates that no money should be withdrawn from the consolidated fund unless under appropriation made by the law of the state legislature. Additionally, that financial year, 25.0% of the total budgetary provision remained unutilized. जे budget are announced केलेले 25% remained unutilized. 7.76% of the original budget, which constituted during supplementary demands, were made but proved unnecessary. There were savings. The savings were significantly higher. So, this indicates lack of precision in the budget forecasting and allocation. And the Anek Muddo, which is very important, is that the point raised with utilization certificates and expenditure increase. Utilization certificates, because of the audit revealed 11,705 utilization certificate in respect to grant in aid, aggregating to a staggering 2,546 crores. Given to 24 departments, utilization certificates were not given. Does the need arises for better accountability? Because I think the Honorable Chief Minister needs to look at it, being part of the Finance Minister. Total expenditure of the state, this including revenue expenditure, capital expenditure, loans, advances, increased from 16,912 crores to 18,313 crores. These are all figures of the audit, whatever they have pointed out. And there is a registration of an increase in 8.28%. Speaker Sir, Janna rise ata Puishe Modbaje expenditure coupled with increasing debts. This basically is a very challenging landscape for Goa. Speaker Sir, Magadista, the Honorable Chief Minister needs to look into these inefficiencies in budget management, and you need to highlight. And stringent physical discipline is something, Magadista, that the Chief Minister needs to look at. Speaker sir, Honorable Social Welfare Minister is there. And Jenna event on the Purple Festival, he got a nod from the Prime Minister saying that the festival was organized well, it has to be implemented across the state. But Speaker sir, there are several things that the person with disability could be done. You all have made another department. आज साधारण हे पैसे जे तांकां मेवता ते मायज करपाक म्हयन्या म्हयन्या हे पैसे तांकां फावो जायना. म्हयन्या म्हयन्या you can do your Purple Fest, but Speaker sir, there has to be, this should be a motivating tool to bring smile 365 days around the year. Not only 2, 3, 4 days when you raise the bar, and magir after 4 or 5 days, then these people feel dejected. Speaker sir, I believe that the Honorable Minister should look into it. This is something that we have to do as legislators if we are unable to do for person, they are special children. And Makadista, this government, hui na hui, has failed to bring a smile on the faces for 365 days. Speaker sir, consider this, IFFI is going on for 20 odd years now. If you look at the years of expense, 16 koti rupiya motai, same event, same decoration, same light, same venue. Orsa say IFFI is a win-win situation for both the government as well as the event management company. Or this guy who was an event management company used to drive a Maruti. For his good, he's driving a Jaguar. Maybe tomorrow he'll drive a Phantom if the trend continues. But Speaker sir, the thing is that Prime Minister's slogan, je tene dilalo kitak dise to koda gelo soiromo o event kotto jo sabka saath sabka vikas sabka vishwas o jori tor trailer family ka saath family ka vikas family ka vishwas फॅमिलीच्या मनशाक दिवपाक पैसे आसाय पूण फिल्म मेकराक सबसिडी दिवपाक पैसे ना. म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर, आज साधारण जेन्ना आमी मायनिंगाचे उल्लेख केलो, सुरवातेक मायनिंग बेसिकली हॅज बिकम लायक अ बायक, मोटरसायकली भाशेन जाल्या. ही बायक मुखेलमंत्री हो स्टार्ट मारूंक सोदता, स्टार्टू जायना. हे आज जातले फाल जातले अशें जालां. स्पीकर सर, last 2 budgets and next budget also we will hear that there will be income generated as revenue. Last 2 budget it was 600 crores, then they said 750 crores. No sign of or any symptoms of mining starting. Only 2 mines have started. Because the auction ji zali, still environmental clearances are Bab Daji Sadkar congratulated the government. But Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता that there was some technical aspect. जेन्ना मायनीचे ऑक्शन जाले, जे आयर्न ओराचे ऑक्शन जाले, ती वेळार टेक्निकल ग्लिच. Now, what is this technical glitch? I fail to understand. Will mining start before 2027 fully? That also I fail to understand. Because suspension of mining has created basically a state into a financial crisis. Anik aaj, sadharan when this government came into power saying that there was a 35,000 crore scam. Anik, just 3 days ago, I saw the mining policy, and in that mining policy of 2013.1.3.4, it states that the scam that they said was from 35,000 crores to 3,500 crores. This is in the mining policy. And as per illegal mining dues, it is derived as 352 crores by the CA. And what this government has recovered is just, Speaker sir, almost 90 crores. 257 crores is still to recover. I do not know why they have failed to understand. Lease licenses have been renewed to these defaulters. Aaj mining kick-starta वयल्यान self-start जावपाक जाय. आणि हे self-start जाल्यारूच आमगे mining हे तोय हे हमारी rural economy safe है. Speaker sir, आज जातोले फाल जातोले केन्ना जातोले. आज बारीकशे आमचे, this is the backbone, tourism and mining. Both, the backbone, you can say the legs. Speaker sir, aaj, the way the tourist numbers are basically falling in the state, it shows a different picture. Although the tourism department speaks differently. COVID, pre-COVID figure check korpa jai, not during COVID. What was when Goa was at its prime pre-COVID? Speaker sir, aaj म्हाका दिसता the Chief Minister himself has admitted that forest jet tourist footfall zala, and has hinted that tourism safety, touristachi safety is one of the major concern in respect of these foreign tourists. Because aaj the tourism department seems to be going on all jaunts, promotion tours, ministers, departments, because going all around the world. But how many tourists have come from that into our state is a big question mark. The Honorable Tourism Minister, when he was in the opposition as a legislator, he used to criticize it. He used to call this as junkets. Today, I do not know whether he's following suit of the previous tourism minister. One blue-eyed man of the department is traveling around the globe and millions have been spent on him. Because aaj maga dista tourism minister also model of attracting high spending tourists. But reality is something else. Goa has never seen ये जे फॉरेनर कोण कोण येता है गांजा घेता है कित कित है कोण नागडे भोंवता है कोण भोंवताना लोकांक हेल्मेट घेवन आमच्या गोंयकारांक मारता this the high ending spending tourists that Goa deserves. Because म्हाका दिसता हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय. Coming to the smart city, the honorable governor fails to address. He travels around that. He stays in Raj Bhavan. Aaj Barikshan delays, deaths and unanswered questions. This is what is haunting the smart city. Bariksha Smart City Mission, a mission commission झालेले आहा. The project that was initiated with a grand promise of transforming the city's infrastructure. Today we can see it is crumbling. It has become a big joke. The project has failed to deliver. Khas Kurun IPSCDL that had given an undertaking in the High Court that all the work would be completed by 31st May 2024. Today, if we see, this is another example of the false promises. To summarize the Smart City Mission, Speaker Sir, amka kide dista? Amka dista infrastructure distress at human cost, repeated digging and redigging of roads, loss of innocent lives due to contractors' negligence, absence of accountability and contractors' responsibility, the most expensive, inefficient project in Goa's history by urban development, allegations of corruption, the worst debacle of planning, monitoring and implementation. Sadharan Speaker Sir, at the start, we had reminded that about this particular smart city, government didn't take it seriously. Everyone was passing the buck on each other. Because fisheries acher mantri inga ha, aka ek dista, jenna ek session येता, त्या वेळार drugs are being seized just before the session. We see drugs being seized. आता पळयत तुवें एक boat was caught with LEDs. आज ते आख्खे रापणकाराचो एक कोट आमगे ऑफिसां येयल्ले. Government does not have any strategy. You don't have any equipment. Bull trawling has finished the United States. You go to areas where fishing has been done using bull trawling. This is basically eroding our coast. Malpechan boat येताय, तुमका काय mechanism ना? Absolutely काय ना. Up to what nautical, have you all notified the 10 lakh rupees fine? You all have to notify it. It is a very serious offense. गोंयकारांक जरी तर आज नुस्तें जरी तर आमच्या हितून मेळना जाल्यार कोणा मेळटलें? वॉट इज द यूज ऑफ दीस फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट? स्पीकर सर, उदकाचेर आमी उलयले, चड उलयना, बट नॉन रेव्हेन्यू वॉटर, दीस नीड्स टू बी टॅप्ड इन. जे लिकेजीस इन द सिस्टम, दीस नीड्स टू बी लुक्ड एट. वी कॅनॉट प्ले, it is a serious issue. We cannot play with the health and with the well-being and the livelihood of our citizens. ये म्हाका दिसता आज when the Honorable Governor has congratulated the government with regards to the Goa College of Pharmacy, which is ranked 100 more, he has congratulated the government in the National Institutional Ranking Framework. But Speaker Sir, आज the students are suffering. Rank 100 मेळा, 100 दीस पासून पावसा हेजो स्ट्रक्चर उतलो काय मग कांयच गॅरंट ना. What is the cause for Goa University's ranking slipping? This is an alarming statistic, Speaker Sir. We were ranked 85. It is slipping now between 100 to 150. आणि private universityच्या नावान कितलेशे हे private investor गोंयांत येता. जेन्ना गोंयांत येता, Speaker Sir, हालीच एक लव फॉर पेपर म्हणून एक स्कॅन्डल जाले. हिंगा पेपर लीक जाता आनी गोंयचो युनिवर्सिटीचो रँकींग लीक जाता आनी इतले प्रायवेट कोण गणपत युनिवर्सिटी म्हणटा कोण अमिटी आनी कोण पारूल आनी कोण हे येयत आहा हे येवन स्पिकर सर जरी तर युनिवर्सिटी गोंयची युनिवर्सिटीचे रँकींग वाडटा इतले पयशे कॅपिटेशन दिवपाक प्रायवेट युनिवर्सिटीक आमच्या गोंयकाराक ताकद आहा काय कितें ओ इज दीस अनदर रियल इस्टेट डील स्पिकर सर आज these are serious questions when it comes especially to NEP. As I mentioned earlier, Goa is not the first state to implement NEP. In a hurry, you should not implement and play with the lives of the people. Why I say that, Speaker sir? आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा हर घर जल मोहीम केलें, हर घर नळू ना जल आणूं येतलें. दुसरें स्पिकर सर ओपन डेफिकेशन म्हणून सांगलें हें सगळें गोंयांत जें घडटा तें दिसता एवरीवेर इट इज फेल्ड. Now don't try to hoodwink the people under the pretext of NEP. We should not try to boast of fake laurels. Because I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister that the School Education Act 1984 and the Goa School Education Act 1986 and the Rights of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 and 2012. Yeah, padaha. This is what the school education is governed by. These two. And thus the steering committee established under NEP, they cannot dictate terms. When I say dictate terms, because आज advisory board under Goa School Education Act, State Advisory or Free and Compulsory Education Act, have these competent authorities advise to the government. These are the primary but these authorities, because have not been taken into confidence. This year's implementation for 20 to 25, NEP in Sangta, ki you all will implement basically BV3 at the preparatory stage, grade 3. But Speaker sir, jenna aaj answer jori tor NEP je chala aaj mugele ek start question ashille. Atya vela jori tor you look at the orientation training for teachers. Ye tenka thode dis tinga Bangalore dhale. आता म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना थोडे एक 25-30 दीस बेंगलोर ट्रेनिंगा धाडले इट इज लायक दोतराक आतां थिंगा ट्रेनिंगाक एम्सा धाडो तो मास्टर जाता तो हे जाता आतां हे भाशेन पळयल्यार दीस टिचर्स देर इज सो मच लोड आनी बेसीक नेसेसिटीज 10+2+3 आमची एड्युकेशन सिस्टम आशिल्लें आतां हें चेंज करून 5+3+3+4 म्हणजे 5 फावंडेशन स्टेज 3 preparatory stage, 3 middle stage आणि 4 secondary stage. हे एनविसेज करपाक सरकारा कडेन कितले प्रयत्न आहा इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सारकें ना टॉयलेट फॅसिलिटी सारकें ना कांयच सारकें ना आनी हे NEP इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक भोंवता. I want to ask the Honorable Chief Minister, what steps have you taken to implement the new curriculum framework? This is the heart of NEP. I'm looking at the change. I'm not बायलांकूच कबर्ड जरी तो दोल्यार वॉर्ड्रोब भितर असो जाय प्रोविजन करूं जाय वॉर्ड्रोब भितर एक्सटिरियर जरी तो तूं प्लॅन करतलो जाल्यार स्पिकर सर वी आर प्लेइंग with the lives of the people because of infrastructure. Building smart classrooms, internet are burning issues. And if this teacher post have to be sanctioned, this is causing unrest because of management as well as teachers. Because of 9 to 12 standard, ya burgyan, they are not equipped we are not equipped in terms of infrastructure, library, laboratory. We need to know how this higher secondary stage are, the transition, the last stage, what is the roadmap? The Honorable Chief Minister needs to tell us. Speaker sir, road accident as जेन्ना उलयत हांव सकाळ उलयलो ह्या सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता थोडेशे मंत्री आहाय जे आपले फार्म हावजांतल्यान बसोन कायदे करता 9 म्हयन्यान गाडयो चेंज करता सगळे चेंज जाता. स्पिकर सर रस्त्याचेर एक्सिडंट बंद करपाक ह्या सरकाराक स्टॅमिना ना दुसरे सोले करपाक स्टॅमिना आहा पण 9 म्हयन्यांनी गाडी चेंज जाता पूण लोक इतले इनोसंट मरता. बट दिस ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट हॅज नथींग, नो प्लॅन, एब्सोल्युटली नो प्लॅन. फक्त ते थिंगा जे पुलीस दोताय ते ट्युरिस्टां हाटल्या धांवताय तांकां ते MH के चोयल्या चोयताय तांकां अमके टार्गेट दिले जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना आनी टार्गेट कोण दीत तेंय खबर ना पूण हांकां हे धरपा वयताय चोयल्यार कोण टेररिस्ट येयले ते भाशेन ते ट्युरिस्टां चोयताय. स्पिकर सर आज म्हाका दिसता road safety is something that is very, very important. The figures Bob Venzi said, that has increased from 22, that was 173, 157, 2024 it is 270. So around 16,000 accidents in the last 5 years and about 900 fatal accidents. People have lost their lives. Black spot monitoring, road engineering, what is lacking, whether we need a trauma center, the Honorable Chief Minister needs to look at it. Road safe hai, to hi log safe hai. Smart transit card, रातचे जे आमच्या लोकांक त्रास जाता, they go on the night shift. What provisions have been made? Whether you are going to make it in the new budget, रातचे जे public transport जावपाक जाय, ते म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई we have failed. Speaking on law and order, Speaker sir, आता law and order is crumbling. Chief Minister speaks about the detection rate. You speak about the highest, but what about the prevention? Why are the crimes rising? Why is abuse, including murders, rapes, deaths, thefts, families killing their children, their wives? This was not seen. Why is it happening, Speaker sir? Is this the happiness index that Pap Daji Sadkar was talking about? Because the Honorable Governor had another view about the happiness index. Because most shocking, Anik, with drugs. This I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister. Whenever, if you notice, just before the session, umke kilache drugs bhi madam ek aisa tha. You check in the last 2 years, just before the session, 10 days, 12 days. So Speaker sir, going to Pablo Escobar kon? To Pablo Escobar sodu jayo. O kon atto inga? आता 8 ते 7 लासून जाता वो पोत सिस्टमा वयता हे चोवपाक जाय. पाब्लो एस्कोबार म्हणजे हो हाडपी कोण हिंगा गोंयांत, कोण धंदुकोता, तेक दोर आय मीन.
स्पीकर सर फुडले फावटी लासता पळय म्हणजे ते हे करता पळय न्हू तेन्ना ताका एकदां आपयता तेन्ना मागीर येवनी ते सर ते हांगासर कुंडय आमचे
स्पीकर सर आज साधारण
ना ना तेका भितर घालता पळय न्ही रे तेन्ना तुका एकदां आपयता मुद्दाम
आमकां आपयत बरें तो पाब्लो एस्कोबारा मेळ म्हणटरी म्हाका आपय हो गोंयच पाब्लो एस्कोबार कोण हो चॅक करपा जाय. हांव खुंयच्या भोंवत तो. स्पीकर सर बारीकसो जरी तो चोयल्यार मोबायल मिसींग कंप्लेन, हे मोबायल मिसींग कंप्लेन 39,000 mobiles had gone missing. This is your reply, out of which 1,632 mobiles have been found. So only 4%. सानबनाच्या वेळार सानबनान आमकां आमचेर हें घान we were fighting for the state with regards to drugs and whatever is being circulating. Amcher defamation gan, Speaker sir, Amcher defamation gan, Sanban without the government supporting today has the guts to put a defamation case against us. And modern Chief Minister video viral distalo, Sanban cancel dile, tuka kite doubt asa, kamu ek viral konan kello. Maga khabar na. स्पीकर सर हे कितें जाता तें. स्पीकर सर आज बारीकशे मोबायल मेळटाय, एकल्या गेलो मोबायल राती आनी केसो फोटो गेल्ले कितली कंप्लेन तो ना ओपन क्लोज बोनीस ना तो तेगे तो मोबायल मेळो ना पूण तेका आनी कितें मेळा तें मागीर रायट टायमा बरें आहा. स्पीकर सर आज शेतकाराचे जेन्ना उलयतना चीफ मिनिस्टरान प्रयत्न केलो सांगपाक की 22 जेन्ना पयलेच आमी आमदार जाले की फार्मराचो इनकम 2022 डबल कोतलो म्हणून. वॉट इज द स्टेट टुडे? स्पीकर सर शिवराज सिंग चौहानाचो इंटरॅक्शन विथ गोवन फार्मर्स, दिस हेज बीन हायलायटेड. Did the Goan farmers tell of the land that is being converted, about agricultural land that is going, no development zone that is being shown away? Speaker sir, आज खजान land हे सगळे हे पाड गोंयांत चल्ला. Speaker sir, government has formulated an agriculture policy, but when will you implement it fully? आज soil conservation आच्या नावान a program was made in the state Sadguru वाडो, almost 3 crore 3.5 crore एक event जालो आणि थोडे नाचताले कोण आयस नाचतालो की जालें. What is the impact of the soil conservation program on the ground? Speaker sir, आज संजीवनी sugar factory, Benzene तुका compare केलो बांदोडकराक, but Sanjeevani sugar factory was Bhausaheb Bandodkar's vision. It was his wish to basically make this sugar factory. Aaj so many months have gone, years have gone. This ethanol factory atle kai kide. Speaker sir, maga dista market space to traditional amche organic products. The Honorable Governor has failed to tell us that this market place, you all have failed only spending money on events. Speaker sir, civil supply department and जे public distribution system ha, that has also failed. You have failed to control the pilferage and damage to food grain. आज या साकान कुंचे उंदीर लागले आणि हे उंदीर हुंचे लागले ते पळोवपाक जाय या साकांत आणि हे गेले सोयरे बेलगांव हुबली हाय जाल्यार पासून सोवपा जाय जे हे साकान लागले ते उंदीर. Speaker sir, Official Language Act, the government has failed to implement the Official Language Act. Full-time president for Goa Konkani Academy आज पासून म्हाका दिसता आमकां is not there. You all have failed to publish the government gazette also in official language. I think the Chief Information Commissioner took the initiative. I congratulated him, although I objected on him being made the Chief Information Commissioner, but he took an initiative to do things on Konkani. Honorable Chief Minister needs to look into it. He's been seen, but anyways, because the case of the health sector, health in Goa is a classic case of overdose of hardware crying for software. Now, why it is crying, Speaker sir, I don't know. Speaker sir, basic there seems to be a health famine. Staff, doctor, nurse, technician, ambulance, medical, bed sheet, stand, sorgalpa thingar, Speaker sir, kainch uni ha. Dakshin Goyan tori to right soila. Speaker sir, medication, there is a shortage, even of diabetes medicine in a stark institute like Goa Medical College. Anik, aaj bariksheen je critical patients, several patients are seen being treated on the wheelchair, being treated on the floor. This is, I believe, is very painful and inhuman. And we need, I spoke yesterday in detail. I think the Honorable Chief Minister, coming from a medical profession, should understand that a trauma center is the need of the hour. District hospital kal uleila ani ulena, but ambulance also is something that needs to, basically you need to look into. Speaker sir, speaking on Madai, kotyani poishe mole only on cases. Only Delhi to go to Delhi and come back, bureaucrats, almost in crores of rupees have been spent. Legal fees, crores of rupees have been spent. But Speaker sir, what do we conclude? Ami jenna uloitna ki Madai amchi jivan daini म्हणून. We will not compromise म्हणून. We thump our hearts, sarke wonderful on uloita. But Speaker sir, we have failed. Let us realize that we have failed. As legislators, we have failed. Speaker sir, have we done the actual ground? Karnataka, they are basically prepared. They have gone ahead. They've built. They've done a tender. I don't know whether the Honorable Chief Minister has made any provision tomorrow in the budget with regards to Madai. Speaker sir, आज जे Madai Wildlife Sanctuary एक tiger reserve जावपाक जाय म्हणून. Now, आता चोयल्यार Speaker sir, court आमचे साइडी आहा, तुमचे double engine सरकार आमचे साइडी आहा, NTCA is on our side. The tiger is also on our side. He comes out. But I don't know why the Sarkar doesn't have the will to declare. Why don't you have the will to declare this as a tiger reserve? This will save Madai. This is the only option, Speaker sir. Magadista tiger hai, to hi forest or ecology safe hai, or Madai bhi safe hai. Speaker sir, Bariksha Prava should not just be an eyewash. Basically, this double engine has failed to withdraw the DPR. Anik Magadista, Karnataka is diverting in full swing. Anik check kora eventaचे जेन्ना चोयता एक बाटली थोडेशे लीडर गोंयांत येता एक बाटली 850 रुपयाची हिमालय उदक पिता 850 रुपीजाचे पासून एक बाटली रेट हा इव्हेंटाचे चोयला म्हाका दिसता हे थोडे जे येता तांकां म्हादयची उदकाची रूच येता जा खबर ना म्हाका जे भायले येताय तांकां स्पीकर सर आज म्हादय है तो ही गोवा के लोग सेफ है स्पीकर सर आज कसिनोचेर दोन मुद्दे उलयता कसिनोचेर जेन्ना उलयतना ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर गेमिंग कमिशनर आहा ताका ड्युटीज एंड रूल्स आर नॉट फिक्स्ड सो बेसिकली इट इज बनाना रिपब्लिक देर इज द गेमिंग कमिशनर गोज देर फॉर वॉट आय डोंट नो हाली एकलो DGP गेल्लो थिंगा आनी तोय थिंगा दादागीर कोतालो स्पीकर सर हें बंद जावपाक जाय रिकवरी जावपाक जाय फ्रॉम मायनिंग सेस casino, electricity, so much of income you can take in thousands of crores. Recover this amount, Speaker sir. This is the public money. At the end, as I conclude my governor's address, Speaker sir, I just want to say a few lines. Ki it is a sad situation. I don't know about the happiness index. The situation is sad. The book, Sorrowing Lies My Land by Lambert Mascarenhas, who was essentially he wrote a political comment on the Portuguese domination of Goa in this book, Soaring Lies My Land. Today, it's domination by right-wing forces with no respect for Goa's diversity, working to trample the constitution and Goa's liberal, free-thinking and peaceful harmony. Our political environment is corrupted with defection. It says it is easy to criticize the Congress party, but who is the engineer? Who is the doctor? Who is the people who has defined, who has done this throughout the country? It is the Bharatiya Janata Party. Speaker sir, Goa's social environment, it is getting polluted with dirty colors of communalism, with ruling politicians using every occasion to foment a divide. Speaker sir, our liberal and democratic environment today is under attack for free speech, dissent being labeled as anti-national. Our economic is getting corroded with debts, borrowings accompanied by futureless growth. When I say futureless growth, dependency aaj casino industry che raha, logistics for coal, and the main thing is alienation, sale of land from the hand of locals. Speaker sir, Puilech Pusa, Goyant, you see 37 degrees of heat. This is happening pehli bar. And the Chief Minister, what Goa was known for, whether it is getting erased. म्हाका दिसता आमचे माणकुलें गोंय जे आशिल्लें was unique because of our natural and human environment. And Goinkar, whichever part of the world they are जावं, London जावं, Switzerland जावं, they, Speaker sir, have a sense of belonging for their land. My prayers to this government, and I pray to this government to put a stop to this dirty, divisive and partisan politics. Equally, we need to be brutal to preserve Goa's natural environment. Speaker sir, अंतर हांव सांगपाक सोदतां की लोकशायेचेर नदर दवरूंक राज्यपालाक गोंयांत धाडलो. लोकशायेचेर नदर दवरूंक राज्यपालाक गोंयांत धाडलो. तोय सरकार सांगता तेसोच उलोवंक लागलो. Thank you, Speaker sir.
स्पीकर सर, राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाशणाचेर उत्तर दिवपा खातीर हांव उबो रावला. वयता स्पीकर सर, सरकार पक्षात